All right, guys. So here is another class that I'm going to do really, really fast. It's a really simple form. I get a lot of questions about it. I know it may seem simple for me, but I'm going to teach you how it can be simple for you. So this form is on the W-9, and this is for businesses only. So if you have a business and you're doing contracts or you're doing partnerships or deals with people and they're asking to pay you, and they need your business information so that they can make sure that they send you the proper way of payment. This is the form that you will fill out and give to the company, all right? Or for instance, if you are hiring someone and they are doing a contract with you from their business, this is the form that you would give them, have them fill out and complete and return to you so that you can pay them accurately in their business, okay? So let's go ahead and get that screen share going, and I am going to teach you exactly how to complete the form really, really simple and easily. So I got to move this box out the way. There we go. All right. So this is your W-9 form. The last revision was back in 2018, as you can see in the top left corner. You can get this form from the IRS website, which you can see at the top of the screen here. Just go to irs.gov and you can put in a W-9 form, or you can just simply Google it. But be careful because there are some websites that will sell this to you. So just keep in mind that this form is free on the irs.gov website. All right, let's get into it. Now, the first box is it wants you to add your name. So you might have some people who may have went and got an EIN number, but did not register their business with their particular state. So they don't have a particular business name. This is where they will put their name in here because they're operating as a sole proprietor. All right. So you'll put your personal name, your name, of course, your first and last name, here, right? So let's just say John Doe is the name. And that was because John did not go and get a registration with his particular state. He just went straight to the IRS and got an EIN number, which you never want to do because now John has become a business instead of creating a name and then giving his business a social security number, okay? So make sure you guys don't do that, all right? So we're going to leave that there. Now, however, if you did register your business with the state, then this is the line, box 2, where you'll go ahead and put in your business name, okay? So this would be, for instance, my business, business name, typing too fast, all right, LLC, right? Okay. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be an LLC. It can be an Inc. It can be a corp. Or you can just simply put my business name, whichever one, right? Now, the next box is asking you, what does the tax classification your business is in, okay? Now, for instance, if you have your business name and you register as an LLC, you'll click that box. If you did not have a business name, but you're just John Doe, and you have an EIN number, then you'll go ahead and click that first box as well. If not, if you know that you're taxed as a C-corp, an S-corp, if it's a partnership, or if it's a trust or estate, you'll click the box that matters for you, all right? Now, LLC companies, if it's an LLC, you click that first box, but if it's an LLC and you are classified as a C-corp, an S-corp, or a partnership, you want to make sure you specify exactly what your LLC is taxed at, okay? So for instance, I could be an LLC, but I'm taxed as a C-corp. I'll put C in that box, okay? With a capital C, all right? Now, the next one is the address. So you want to have the same address that you put on your taxes for your business. So if it's your home address, put that. If it's not, and you have a business address or virtual address, you'll put your address. So right here, we're just at Sesame Street here. That is not how you spell sesame, right? There we go. And then Sesame Street is located in Detroit. I don't know if it really is. I don't think it is. I've never seen it, but just in case, we're just gonna put Detroit, just so you know that your city, state, and zip code goes on box 6, okay? And then if you have specific account numbers, you can put that there, but that's usually not needed. The next part that you want to do is part 1, where it's asking for either your personal social security number or your business EIN number. That's your tax ID, okay? So some people might say EIN, which is an employer identification number. The same thing as a tax ID. It's kind of like the ebonics of it. So we're just going to put a tax ID in here. All right. Now, for instance, the only time that you will not put an EIN in here, or you will put your social, is if you don't have a business name and you want to create a business, but you hadn't done so yet, and someone is paying you. So then you'll put that, your first and last name, you'll put your social there, and you will go ahead and fill out the inside of this box here that we did before, and then you'll sign. Oh, no signature. Sorry, guys. I'm used to the other form. Okay. So then you'll just give them this information after that. Oh, you do sign here. I knew it. So you will fill it in and you will sign and date. It's pretty simple, guys. You don't have to overcomplicate this, but an only reason you would need to do this form is if you have a business and you want someone to pay you to the business and not directly in your name, okay? And then you'll be able to take the 1099 that they're going to give you and file it with your taxes, okay? So I hope this was a lot of help. Go ahead and share this information and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Talk to you soon.